Hello enthusiast, tingnan natin yung remote switch para dito sa Convoy C8 Plus. Ito yung binili nating bagong accessory for our flashlight. Kung gusto mo siyang i-mount sa iyong bike, gusto mong i-mount sa iyong rifle, you should get this kind of switch designed for, let's say, C8 Plus, C8, L21B, M21B na mga flashlights, pati yung S2. So, subukan natin guys. As you can see here, meron siyang nakakabit na wire at meron din siyang button dito to activate, turn on, turn off, and change modes. So it's very, very convenient. In example, kung gusto mong ilagay siya sa bike, for me, in my case, I put this on my bike. Meron akong mount para dito. Without the switch, napakahirap niyang i-turn on, turn off. You really have to literally take your hand off your handlebar. Since meron na tayong ganitong switch, we can easily activate and deactivate this. Yan. So dito sa switch na to is you can full press to turn on and turn off. Tapos half press to go through the modes. So aside dito sa kanyang main switch, meron din siyang momentary switch dito. More flexible control with this momentary switch. Pwede mo siyang ma-activate saglit. And you can also quickly press to cycle through the modes. Yan, it's a very, very useful feature dito sa switch na to. At yung kanyang haba naman is nasa 42 cm sa kanyang shortest length, and stretch out all the way. You can have almost 90 cm at least doon sa listing niya. So kung gusto mong makuha yung unit na to, syempre andito lang sa ating description. And let me know your thoughts. Would you be interested with this kind of setup? Comment nyo lang sa comment section.